Carefully remove the aluminum seal from the sample plate. Previously, the sample plate was centrifuged to collect any moisture that collected on the aluminum seal. Next, load the sample plate into its appropriate position on the sample rack. Only one plate is loaded at a time to minimize evaporation from the sample plates. Printing can be initiated at this point. Notice here that the arrayer is programmed to replace the sample plate's lid immediately after the pins have been loaded. While the arrayer is printing, monitor for pin sticking. The pins shown here in slow motion are moving easily within the tool.